A house is built 20.5 meters from a river at the end of 2000. The erosion of the riverbank was 5 centimeters in 2001, a further 7 centimeters in 2002, 9 centimeters in 2003, and so on. How far from the river is the house at the end of 2020? So if the first lot of erosion is 2001, and we're looking at 2020, we're looking at 20 terms in our sequence. And it goes 5, 7, 9, and so on. So A is 5, D is 2, and N is 20. And we're going to want the sum because we're looking at the cumulative erosion. So sum of n is n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So the sum of these 20 terms is going to be 20 over 2, which of course is 10. 2 lots of 5 is 10. And then we've got twice 20 minus 1. So let's just quickly calculate that. So 10 add 2 times 19 and multiply that, of course, by 10 gives us 480. So that's 480 centimeters, which of course is 4.8 meters. So the distance from the riverbank is going to be the 20.5 it started, take away 4.8, so 20.5 take away 4.8 is 15.7 meters. Find a general rule in terms of n for the distance of the house to the river at the end of the nth year, where n equals 1 represents the end of 2001, and simplify the answer. Well, we have a cumulative sum over here, but now we're just looking at the general one. And not only that, I think that here we worked in centimeters and then converted. I think we need to convert our values into centimeters. So that's going to be n over 2. 2 times the first term, so that was 5 centimeters, so that's going to be 0.05 meters. And then we'll have that d is 0.02 into n minus 1. So that's going to be, well, the 2 can cancel with this 2 and cancel this one down to a 1. So that would be n into 0.05 plus 0.01 n minus 1. So that's n into 0.05 plus 0.01 n, take away 0.01, which is n into 0.04 plus 0.01 n. So that's the amount of erosion. So we can say that the distance is going to be 20.5 take away n into 0.04 plus 0.01 n. We could probably leave it there or go a step further and say that's 20.5 take away 0.04 n take away 0.01 n squared. During which year is the riverbank expected to reach the house? So that will be when d equals 0. So we can solve this. So we've got action, advanced, solve. 20.5 take away 0.04x take away 0.01 x squared is equal to 0. And we're going to want the positive answer. So that's going to be 43.321 and so on. So that means at the end of 2043, so 43 years after we started, it won't quite have reached it, but by the end of 2044 it will have gone past. So it will happen during 2044.